What's up friends, and welcome to another video that is brought to you by the YouTube channel Senu Crafts. And today we are going to create a miniature Crayola colored pencil box from barbecue sticks and my printables. So friends, as usual, let's start off with the materials needed to create this awesome miniature Crayola colored pencils. So we need here especially barbecue sticks and a picker or a twin-select tin to catch up your barbecue sticks when painting, and also two colors of poster colors. So I'm going to use the Pentel standard poster colors box. So what do we have? It's I think usual for this craft. So now first of all, let's start off by cutting off the piece of printable. So this printable includes one printed box of the outer box of this miniature colored pencil. So in this video I really focus on the creation of these colored pencils, the wooden color pencils. So for that creation I have used the barbecue sticks. So I don't know what's your opinion on this. Please, if you have another opinion instead as a substitute for the barbecue sticks, you can comment them right below the comment section. So I will consider them and I will publish them in any of my videos. So now we are moving on to the creation of the point or the sharpened part of our pencils. To make that part, you have to cut out the end using a blade, the sharp cutting blade. So when you have cut out 12 pieces or the pieces that you have, it will look like this. And take a tweezer or this holder. So I have got this holder from eBay. If I know the link, I will put it down in the description. And take one of your colors of your poster color and hold it tight with your pencil like this, and get on coloring your wooden miniature pencil. So this coloring part gives you the most realistic nature or the effect of your miniature pencil. So when coloring, I advise you to get adult supervision, because it's better to get adult supervision rather than doing it on your own and messing it out. So after I have done, you have to leave it to dry like this, as I fixed it on a styrofoam board. So then you have to go on coloring with other pieces of colored pencils, and at last it will look like this, wonderful and beautiful and realistic. So we have to now measure the length of the wooden pencil that we are going to enter at the or put it into the colored pencil miniature box. So for that purpose, you are going to measure it by your real box that you made. Sorry. So then like this, you have to cut out all of your wooden colored pencils one by one using this paper blade. So when using paper blades, use adult supervision, because they are very sharp cutting blade, nice like this. So use adult supervision. And after you have cut all the wooden colored pencils, they will look just as this collection of colored pencils, wonderful and brilliant, and as usual realistic. And after you have done, you can show it to your friends and your family members by putting them into your Crayola colored pencil box. So also comment what miniature you want next time, and the creation for this time had begun to the over. And just now try creating your own miniature Crayola colored pencil box at home just now. That's it! What's up friends, and you just watched how to create the miniature version of these Crayola colored pencils, and it's absolutely miniature. So it more like super miniature, because this time I created it so much realistic, over 100%. So here's this craft I just now created, and you too can try this out at your home by using the barbecue sticks that I used. And also I apologize for the inconvenience I did, because I didn't publish a video last week because I had a very busy schedule. So however, please write to my colored pencils, and also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a like to this video or any other video you prefer, you like. So friends, I think that's it for today. Till next time, have a great weekend and have a great time. And also comment what miniature you want next, because I do not have any ideas yet. Bye.